Hi guys, so I was given opportunity to test this digital mixer, so Topp Pro DM24.8. So I've been using this for maybe a month or a few weeks. So I've been exploring the OS, exploring the features, testing the audio, and basically I'm trying to learn of this digital mixer. So this mixer is launched in 2018. So although it is new in Malaysia, but actually this is not a new digital mixer in the market. So it's been 4 years in the market. And what I can see now from the system, actually now it's running on firmware version 5.3. So when I checking on the firmware update, I think this is about 35th firmware iteration for this console. So there have been a lot of bug fix, new features added along the way in these 4 years. So in this video, I'll be sharing my thought on these digital mixers. So what I'm thinking of this, who is this suitable for, what is the advantage of this mixer, what is the disadvantage, or maybe some of them is not so nice. So I hope that I can share to all of you so you roughly know about this digital mixer. So okay, let's start with the input and output. So basically it has 24 inputs. So the model is 24, which means there's 24 inputs. And basically we really have a 24 mic XLR mic preamp at the rear of this console. And the 8 means there's 8 aux. But in actually we have a 10 output because we have another addition to main left and right. So basically there's a 10 output. Of course, that I haven't included the control room. So we have 2 and a phone output, which is around here. So that I didn't include inside. Okay. One of the thing that I doesn't like much, but can be accepted, is the gain of all the 24 channels. So unlike other digital console, they are all digital gain. But in this mixer, they have a weird choice of using analog gain. So which means all the gains for the channels only can be adjusted in front of the board. So if we are using tablet to control this board, we cannot adjust the gain. So we need to come back here. So that is a bit of a disadvantage of this board. But other than that, I think this is pretty comprehensive board. All the features needed is there. So let's have a look on a DSP. So basically there's a gate, compressor, and PEQ. So basically the compressor and PEQ will be available on all the input channels and all the output channels. So the gate is only available on the input and it's not available on the output. And for GEQ, which one? This one, GEQ is only available on the output and every output. So which means all the 8 auxes, the main left and right, they have their own GEQ. Okay. So we have 2 effect engine. So FX1 and FX2. So basically the set of effect that we have is the same for both engine. So we just can mix and match on what we have. Of course, we have all the basics effect here like the hall room, plate, delay, stereo, reverb, and so on and so forth. Karaoke, this is a bit special from other console. So it's a bit basic, but it should be sufficient for many type of application. However, if you need more fancy type of plugins, of course, we do have the option to use digital in and out, because when we insert a Dante card at this console, we can send the signal to the PC to do the processing and send back to here. Yes, and this console is Dante enabled digital console. Of course, the Dante card is sold separately. Another advantage of this console is that most of the features that I want is within 3 touches or 3 press away. So what you see in the touchscreen is what you can press. For example, I need to go here, 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 and go here. It's all within 3 touches. So it's very fast. Another advantage of this console is most of them are fixed. For example, all the channels are fixed, all the aux are fixed, all the main is fixed. So there's no need for the users to come in to do their own patching themselves. So basically, those who come from the analog world to this digital mixer will have a very easy learning curve. So I can say, and I'm very confident that this is one of the lowest learning curve digital mixer available, and analog guys should not be afraid of digital mixer now because we have this console. So of course, you see we have 12 faders here. We can switch between layer 1, which is 1 to 12, layer 2, 13 to 24. And you can see it's actually a motorized faders. So make your mixing much more easier. So for sending signals, we have send on faders, which we can use to send all the inputs to the aux very fast. So unclick to turn off it. So we also have 12 group of DCA, so we can assign all these DCAs from the input and output. So it's very fast to set it. One press and choose the input and output that you want and press one time to set. That's all. Very fast and very easy. So we have additional features like talkback that we can assign all to the aux and the main. We can use ping noise, 10 kHz, 100 Hz, 1 kHz, press to talk or just on and off. Very fast and very easy to learn. So we have RTA as well. We can monitor whichever channel RTA that we want. So it's very fast also. Then we have solos. Just press what we want. Then we can have a pre-fader listen. Press one time. Unpress is after fader listen. And then we can have mute. We also can mute the DCA group as well. And then one press to clear all. And one press to clear all the solo. So everything is very fast in this console, very easy to learn. So it's really this aim for beginner, but the features given by them is not a beginner features. It has all the comprehensive features, and with the Dante networking, so this console really can do wonders if you know how to use it. So that's my thought on this mixer. Beginner, analog guy, and beginner that want to step into digital world. You can consider the DM24.8 because this one really gives you a professional features for your professional need. So that is all for my sharing. So next time, maybe I will share these smaller mixers, the T22.8, which is actually a 16 input, smaller size digital mixer from Topp. See you and bye bye.